A small detail makes a massive difference. This specific pocket design was crafted to go far beyond your average pocket, adding a modern touch to every single piece. It instantly elevates any garment with a high-end, luxury feel. Whether it's used as a back pocket on trousers, a sleek accent on a coat collar, or a sophisticated interior pocket for your jackets and vests, detail adds an instant air of luxury and sophistication. I've moved past the standard techniques of traditional flat pockets. This model is engineered to be more structured and durable. It holds its shape perfectly, keeping that flawless, crisp look even with heavy use, and consistently reflects the elegance of modern design. Now, let's head over to the sewing machine and bring this technique to life step by step, right as we get started. To help the channel grow and ensure more professional techniques like this, please subscribe and leave a like. Your support is vital for the growth of this channel. If you're ready, let's get to work. Enjoy the tutorial.